ground and center practice. Find a safe space. Sit comfortably, cross-legged or kneeling on the ground, using pillows or blankets to support yourself. Close your eyes, feel those body parts directly connecting to the ground, the surface beneath you. Take a long, deep breath in, and long, deep breath out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Another deep breath in and out. Now inhale through your nose on a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath on 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale out of your mouth on a count of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath on 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale out on 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Breathe in on 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that breath in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your breath naturally flow. And now draw your attention to those body parts that are directly connected to the ground. Imagine rich, dark, warm earth beneath you. Allow your body to feel heavy and feel supported by the earth. Watch and feel yourself sink deep into the soil and feel connected. Envision your roots growing from your feet or your sit bones and running deep into the ground. Visualize the roots firmly anchoring you into the earth and maintain that connection. Imagine your breath coming down from the sky and traveling through the crown of your head, down your spine and collecting in your heart space. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Imagine your breath is emptying from your heart space and continuing down your spine and out from your roots, going all the way down into the earth. Imagine a line of energy or an amber light coming from the sky through your body and anchoring deep into the ground through your roots into the center of the earth. Now sit in silence. Let your breath relax. Let it fall to its natural rhythm. Take a moment to sit in this space. Feel your breath. Sit in silence. Feel grounded, centered, and be still.